So how to use company hubs as an exclusion filter in LinkedIn ads? So when you are under plan in the company's hub, it will show you the impressions that different companies have received, both from an organic perspective as well as from your paid impressions, paid perspective as well. It will also show you paid clicks. It will also show you the company sizes, company industries, etc. So under the right hand side option, there would be filters. Say if we go under the paid impressions filter, so we can click on this and we can put in custom. Let's say any company who has received, let's say 5 impressions, just for an example. And we have date filter at the top as well. So we have like last 90 days, last 60 days, last 30 days, last 7 days. So let's say any company who has received 5 impressions in the last 30 days, we want to exclude those companies. So we can save this as a company list here and save this as a dynamic list, so that once the 30-day period has gone, they would be removed from this filter and again shown the impressions. Similarly, if some new companies come in who have received 5 impressions in the last 30 days, they would automatically be added in this filter. So save this as a dynamic. So you can say here impressions like greater than 5 who have received anyways like at least 5 impressions. So you can say greater than 5 last 30 days, and you can then save this, and then you can put this under the exclusion category in the audience while setting up your campaigns in LinkedIn ads too. Thanks so much.